In my kitchen today, I'm about to show you how to make akara, a crispy and fluffy one. First, you're going to peel your beans. You can use any type of beans, whether the white one or the red one. After peeling, I added my pepper and my onions, and I proceeded to blend into this consistency. Make sure that your batter is not too watery. I added salt and seasoning cube, and after tasting it, I found out that the salt was not enough yet, so I proceeded to add a little more salt. Now into the oil that was already hot, I proceeded to scoop my batter into it little by little. If you want it more bigger than this, you can use a bigger spoon or scoop more butter into the oil. And after frying for some minutes, I want to make sure I fry on both sides until they are perfectly golden brown. To avoid your butter scattering when you put it into the oil, make sure your oil is hot very well. You can try it by scooping a little bit of your butter into it. That will show you and will let you know maybe it is time to put in your butter or not. And make sure to blend your beans with little water so you don't have a watery batter. That also can stop your akara from binding together when you scoop it into the oil. So I have done this for the first set. I am going to repeat the same process for the second round, and that's me scooping the remaining batter into the oil. Another thing you should avoid when scooping your batter into the oil is that you should not overload your pan. Give it space, let them breathe. Yes, don't choke the oil with too much butter. If it's your first time seeing this channel, you're welcome. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and turn off your notification bell for more videos like this. We share food updates and you're gonna love it here. We love you. Welcome to the community. Now when the akara is fully fried, do well to try drain the oil out before putting them in the plate, because we don't want oily akara. I've seen cases of akara that turned out flat, oily, and even hard as stone. I just like keeping my akara recipe simple. No fancy ingredients, just beans, pepper, onions, salt, and seasoning cube. And here you go. Soft inside, crunchy outside, and absolutely delicious. And that's how to make perfect Nigerian akara every single time. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who loves good food. I've got more delicious Nigerian recipes coming your way, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.